up, guys? It is, I don't know what day it is, who cares? I'm on vacation. But it is our last day here in Florida before we got to go back to New England and go back to work, get normal lives, which is fine because we have some awesome vacations and adventures on the horizon. We're going to end up in Cuba soon. We're going up to the southern coast of Maine not too long from now. So we got a lot of stuff on the horizon, but it is our last day here in Florida. Right now I'm on the beach, walking in the water near Smyrna Beach. We've had a lot of fun while we were here. We went to Disney's Boardwalk. We ate at Flying Fish Cafe. We went down to Cocoa Beach and walked around Ron John's Surf Shop. We had dinner in Port Canaveral. We had some awesome dinner here at New Smyrna Beach. So we don't really know exactly what we're going to get into yet today. But we are going to try and do some fun stuff for our last day of our vacation. Tomorrow we fly back to New England at like noontime, so not much of a day here. I did plan on getting up early enough today to catch the sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean, but unfortunately you didn't see that because I didn't see that, so maybe we'll try that tomorrow morning before our flight. But anyway, we're hanging out at the beach, just sort of sunbathing right now, and then we are going to go on our next adventure. Alright, what's up, guys? We are at, this is a terrible place for my camera. We are at Bruce Rossmeyer, Destination Daytona. See what they got in here. Big Harley Davidson store. There's a bunch of stores around the way. There's like a leather store, there's an outlet store, there's a JP Cycles over there. There's a whole lot of stuff over here, so we're gonna walk around, see what we can find. I'm gonna try to walk out of this I'm going to try and walk out of this Harley Davidson store without any significant increase in my level of debt. It might be significantly more difficult to walk out of here without more debt than I anticipated. Wish me luck. Back at the hotel. It's our last evening in New Smyrna Beach, like I said before. So we're back at the hotel. We both have some work to do, so we're going to take our computers down to one of the cool little tables they've got down on there's like a patio overlooking the beach here, and we're going to just go ahead and sit down there and get some work done, and then we're going to go out to dinner. We found this place called Norwood's. It's like a Treehouse bar, diner, restaurant, I don't know, but we're gonna go try that out for our last dinner here, and then we're gonna see if we can find a place in New Smyrna for some ice cream. Then we've got to get to bed because tomorrow we have to fly out and go back to New England. So we're kind of keeping it low key on our last night here. I just realized every single vlog that I've made so far has been totally centered around food. So this vacation has been a journey of self-discovery for me, realizing that I just vacation for food. I don't know, do you vacation for food? What do you vacation for? I look for adventure and food, and we have found a lot of good food here in the Northeast Atlantic coastal Florida. So next we're gonna go. This is our view. I'll just while we work. The view while we work, it's fantastic, right? Even though we have to work. I mean, come on, it doesn't get a lot better than this. So we're just gonna work for a little while, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. Right now we just finished working, so we're back in the room, but I mean, I just feel so lucky to have this view right now. I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn around. This is the view right now. I'll just, myself, you know, I'll be in the shadow for a second, but just, right now this is the view from our hotel room. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful here in Florida right now. So we're gonna freshen up a little bit and then go get some dinner. And just soak up these last few minutes of warm Florida weather before we go on our way. I just realized most of these vlogs are really going to be montages, not a lot of talking. I'm still learning how to do this whole travel vlog thing, so make sure you like and subscribe. It really only gets better from here. So we're going to go out to dinner. All right, we made it. The restaurant is like up in this treehouse. I don't know if you can really see it right now, but it's like a treehouse. Sorry about the lighting. It's like a treehouse restaurant slash bar. So yeah, we're gonna go for it. Well, we've made it. We've made it to the end of the vacation. Made it to the end of the vacation. We are about to head from the airport over to Orlando. We're about to head from the hotel here on the beach back to Orlando Airport, and then we got to fly back home and get back to work tomorrow. So this is the end of our Florida, New Smyrna Beach sort of short vacation, and hopefully I learned a lot about how to do these vlogs while we're traveling so that our next series is a little bit better. Coming up soon, in less than a month and a half, we will be boarding the Majesty of the Seas in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the Royal Caribbean ship headed for Key West and Havana, Cuba. It's a trip I have been very excited about, so I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you comment below. I hope you like these videos, and I hope you are here to join us on our next adventure.